you know? And these cut creases are not going to be even, but it is fine. Sisters, not twins, just like the eyebrows. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Becca and welcome to my channel. So there's been a very long hiatus since I posted last. In that meantime, I filmed a video that I ended up not posting. I filmed 2 vlogs I ended up not posting. I've just had like zero motivation to do things recently because I moved and it's just really thrown me through a loop. So this is me trying to get back in the habit of filming. And because I have moved, new setup means I have to like refigure everything out. So this is gonna be really interesting. I'm also having to yell at my camera because it's finally far enough back that it worked, like I'm in frame well. But I don't have a microphone for this camera. This camera does not come with a microphone port. And so, I mean, it has a microphone, but I need like a shotgun mic. And I don't have one of those. So I'm gonna be yelling this like whole video and the audio is gonna be echoey and it's gonna be trash and it's gonna be great. And also I'm gonna have some really harsh shadows on my face and some harsh lighting just because this room is awful to light. The way I had to set things up, I need more lights. And I knew that was something that was gonna happen eventually, so it's gonna happen. I'm gonna get new lights. And because of the said lack of motivation I have, I'm just gonna do a get ready with me. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna talk and do my makeup. And so, here we go. I also need to brush my teeth because I just realized I forgot to brush my teeth, like always. So I'll be back. So I've lived in this house for like a month. My friend Casey, that you've seen in some vlogs, I decided to rent a house. And so this is the first time in like 5 or more years I have not lived with Sammy. And we're still friends. It's not like anything happened, but it's just we realized we lived together for long enough and needed some time with other people. But anyway, because this is a house, I have more room in general, obviously because it's a house and not an apartment. But my room is nice and big compared to my other rooms, so I have plenty of distance to film. I'll probably start filming even with my camera a little farther back once I can get a shotgun mic that with an adapter that works for my camera, because I have a Canon Rebel T5, which does not come with an auxiliary port. The T5I does, but I have a 5 because I didn't know the difference at the time, or it was a mistake or something. You know how like those package deals on Amazon say they're one thing and they're definitely something else. I don't know what it has been about this move, but I have been so unmotivated to do anything. It's ridiculous. I am still not totally unpacked and we have been here a month and it's just been an adjustment period that I wasn't expecting to have, because every other time I've moved, I've just been going straight into doing my normal thing. But For some reason with this one, I've just been dragging my feet on a lot. This is really harsh light, like, and it's coming from my overhead light, so I can't do anything about it. I'm trying to balance it out on this side, but if I do that, I have some really harsh. No, down. I keep seeing the lighting and the monitor, and I want to die. So much to be solved if I just had a ring light. I'm just gonna do a simple brow, nothing fancy. Because, you know, for a while I was doing the fluffy brow, which I still really like, but I don't feel like taking the time to do that today. So I'm just gonna do a normal eyebrow. Leave a comment below if you just like the backdrop, because I've always been more of an environmental background kind of person, but I need to buy stuff to put there. Like, there's stuff I want to put there, but if you guys like it this way, then I might not, because it's not as important. And honestly, I don't know if you'd be able to see what I want to buy just with how this lens works. So let me know in the comments down below. Now time to contour and bronze. Let me check my Instagram, because I put on Instagram stories last night that, you know, I never know what to say during these. So I asked you guys in an Insta story. Let's see if anyone replied to me. I highly doubt it. First question, when did your passion for makeup start? For me, it was definitely high school. I didn't really start wearing makeup until like 8th grade of middle school, and it was the way my mom taught me. And that's how it happens for most girls, or at least it did, is that their moms taught them. And so it's a very dated way of putting on makeup, and I always hated it, so I rarely wore any. But when I got to high school was when I was allowed to spend more time on the internet, because, you know, like back in the day when there was just like a family computer and everyone had to share it, I was starting to get more freedom to do what I wanted on there. And so I watched a lot of YouTube, and that's when I found the beauty viewer community, and that was like 2008, 2009. So like really the beginning of YouTube as the kind of platform it is today, and not just people uploading their family vacation video so that grandma in Wisconsin can see it. Second part of the question was, did something trigger it? And I mean, I don't think so. Nothing in particular. I think it was just me growing up and discovering who I was, and makeup was just part of that discovery for me. That I found out I really enjoyed doing this, and like back then is when I wanted to start a YouTube channel, but my parents wouldn't let me. And I mean, for good reason. I was a minor, and some of these people that are teenagers on YouTube are like not ruining their lives, but they're documenting every aspect of their lives so early that I feel like they're missing out on a lot. But that's another topic for another time. If I could only use 3 makeup products the rest of my life, which would I use? Oh man. I honestly would have to say foundation, because I hate makeup. I hate the way my makeup looks without foundation. I'm not one of those people that can go without foundation. previously it would have been eyeliner because I wore a cat eye every single time I wore makeup. And it's only been within the past year I've honestly stopped doing that. So not even eyeliner. False lashes, I guess, would be one because I now cannot do makeup without false eyelashes and feel super confident in it. I mean, I just don't like the way my eyelashes look with just mascara. I need some oomph. And then highlight. 100% a highlighter. I like to glow. And just, that's that. Today I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions eyeshadow palette. I actually bought this for myself for my birthday and made the video I mentioned at the beginning that I made and never posted. I used this in it. And I honestly don't know what I'm going to do right now, but we're just going to go. And my brushes haven't been cleaned since then because I'm me and I'm awful about cleaning my brushes. So I'm just going to go for it. You know, and these cut creases are not going to be even, but it is fine. Sisters, not twins, just like the eyebrows. You know, I'll be back when I get some of this controlled. So I saved it, and it's now a different kind of cut crease. So I did this eye already, and we're gonna finish this eye. And it's probably gonna look pretty similar to the last makeup look I did on my channel. Just different colors, and you know what, it's okay. So I'm gonna try and do like a glitter line on the cut. And I'm going to use this Too Faced and Nikkietutorials glitter, Glitterally, that came with her Power of Makeup palette. That I've literally not used this since I bought that palette, and this glitter is so fine, it's ridiculous. So I know I keep going out of frame, and I'm sorry. I'm just trying to do too many things at one time. This became a little drag queen, I think. It is what it is. Oh my. This started peeling up and cracking. Oh man. This is just truly an experience today. I don't know if it's gonna work great, but I'm gonna take my ColourPop lippie in Barely There, and it's a matte hot pink. Oh, my lips decided to peel too. Yeah, doesn't look good. Does not look good. I'm totally mute it out with some of this, I guess. We're gonna see what happens. See, maybe this is why YouTube doesn't work for me. I just am not doing good right now. My makeup has been a mess. Oh yeah, so you can see it now. It's like picking up and peeling. I'm great at makeup. So great. Exactly why I started a YouTube channel. Well, this is as good as it's getting today. So, if you enjoyed this video of me whining and complaining and failing at putting on makeup, then click that subscribe button down below and become part of the fam. And don't forget to give this don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and tap the bell so you get push notifications whenever I post new content as lovely and beautiful as this. And before my camera battery dies, here are some other options from my channel, so just click the next one and keep going. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!